Hey guys, finally Oppo Reno11 series launched in China. Oppo Reno11 and Oppo Reno11 Pro. The Reno11 will be featuring a curved edges OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz screen refresh rate. On the other hand, Reno11 Pro will also featuring a curved edges OLED display but with a 1.5K resolution with a 120Hz screen refresh rate. The Oppo Reno11 powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset and the Reno11 Antutu score of 1,33,340, and on the other hand the Reno11 Pro come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Both phones come with triple camera setup in the back. Oppo Reno11 using the 50 megapixel Sony IMX980 primary camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide 32 megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom. Reno11 Pro also come with triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor who is Sony IMX890 and 8 megapixel ultra wide who is Sony IMX355 and also 32 megapixel telephoto lens who is Sony IMX709. Both smartphones also come with 32 megapixel single selfie camera, and of course out of the box the both phones running Android 14. The Reno11 will have a 4800 mAh battery with a 67-watt fast charging, and the Oppo Reno11 Pro featuring a 4700 mAh battery with a 80-watt fast charging. Oppo Reno11 starting price is 2800 RMB and Oppo Reno11 Pro starting price is 3500 RMB. So that's pretty much for our video. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.